One of my favorite things about Coach McNeal is how hard he works to make Southside great. Hey, Coach, we miss you.
Get better, Coach McNeal.
Hey, Coach, we're hoping you get well soon so you can get back to Southside and help get these students in check. They've been acting up since you've been gone, and we're sick of it.
Get well. You the best coach.
Hey, Coach McNeal. First of all, I want to send you some get well wishes. But I also wanted to share that some of my favorite times and memories with you are getting to watch you coach at the Glass House during the state tournament for the past several years. It's always so much fun getting to watch you in your element, and we cannot wait to have you back here doing that again. So get well soon.
Hey, Coach McNeal. We're really missing you right now, and one of my favorite memories with you is just how much you encouraged me, like whenever we came up here with West Bemis and the basketball team and stuff, and you were just giving a bunch of encouraging words, giving us some constructive criticism, and you really encouraged me to just keep trying other sports and keep playing other stuff.
Well, I appreciate how Coach McNeal has always been a supportive person, you know, with staff, anything to do with the kids. That's something I have to say about him, that he's always there to help out if need be. So.
And I would definitely agree with that, Coach McNeal. You're always somebody I can go to as a resource to help with students, to help with anything really. So get better. Can't wait to see you back.
Hey, Coach McNeal, I cannot wait for you to come back. And one of my favorite memories is definitely every day when I go by the cafeteria, you always give me a fist bump and tell me to have a good day.
Hey, Coach McNeal, I just want to wish you a speedy recovery and hope everything go well. Can't wait to see you back in school.
Get well, Coach McNeal.
Get well, Coach McNeal.
Hey, Coach McNeal, you know, it's your favorite, of course. I know you're not here right now, but I hope you feel better. And, you know, I'm hurt too, so it's fine. But I hope you get better, and you're doing a great job. And my favorite memory, I would say, is every morning last year when you would tell me hey and good morning, and I hope I had a great day.
Hey, Coach McNeal, we miss you here at Southside. We want you to get well soon and come back to see us.
Hey, Coach McNeal, hope you're doing better. We miss you here at Southside.
Coach McNeal, we're praying for him to have a speedy recovery. We're hoping and praying that he gets back to school because we have definitely missed him. His presence is greatly missed. You know, with Coach McNeal, we go way back. You know, his first coaching assignment was, of course, under me at Northside. I know it was at Northside. But we had some great times. We learned a lot. We led the kids the best way that we knew how and everything. So when I see that now he's coaching, it is a great honor to know that he was once under my leadership. So, but Coach, we're hoping and praying that you'll be back soon. And it's a great day to be a Hawk.
Hey, Coach McNeal, get well. We need you here for the season. And Coach Donald said so too. And we love you, Coach.
Hey, Coach McNeal, feel better soon. Get that leg healed up so you can come back. So I was asked about a favorite memory, and so my first memory of you was working on your football media guide as a Tennessee Tech football player, and I did a lot of the editing and creating of those media guides, and I remember your face. In fact, your media guide may still be at my parents' house back in the day. So anyway, it was really cool to find out that you were here, and we've talked a lot about Tech, so go Eagles! Feel better soon.
My favorite memory with Coach McNeal was when I was sleeping in his class and he thumped me in the ear to wake me up.
Coach, we miss you. We need you in the cafeteria. We need you in the hallways. We need your spirit. Get better.
Coach, we miss you, Coach. We miss you just being over there, standing next to the East cafeteria, just watching over us, protecting us from anything harm. We thank you for everything, Coach. We hope you get better.
Coach McNeal, we miss you. Get well.
Hey, Coach.
Prayers up for Coach.
Get well, McNeal. Get well, Coach McNeal.
Get well soon, Coach McNeal. We love you.
Get well soon. We hope you get okay.
Coach McNeal, you know, it's probably asked me your favorite manager or whatever, but my favorite memory with you was when we was talking about block blast and you think you could beat me, but you can't. Get ready, get well, Coach McNeal.
Hey, Coach McNeal, we at Southside miss you and are praying for you to get back. The students here and your players and everyone here misses your presence and your face.
I hope you get well soon.
Hey, Coach McNeal, this is Kaylin. I just want to say thank you for always pushing me and motivating me to be the best version of me. I just hope you get better soon that body right, and be back on that court coaching. Love you, bye.
Hey, Coach, keep icing, keep doing the PT, and we'll see you soon.
Hi, Coach McNeal. This is Miss Sheila Greer, the one that you had 2 of her granddaughters, and you did wonderful with them. We are hoping and praying in God's speed that you get better soon, because we really, really do miss you. And having you on the court ain't gonna be the same without you there. Okay? Love you.
All right, Coach McNeal, we miss you and we are ready for you to be back at school, monitoring the hallways and encouraging the kids.
What's up, Coach McNeal? Wishing for a speedy recovery.
Get well, Coach McNeal.
Hey Coach, we miss you so much and we're praying that you get well soon.
Coach McNeal, we hope you're doing well. We miss you at Southside. One of my favorite memories of you, and I will always remember this, when you all won the state basketball championship in 2023, and I'll never forget how you took the gold ball and you walked it in front of the student section at the Murphy Center.
I hope you feel better soon. I can't wait for you to get back and get these children in check during this backpack, because I'm really tired of being the one yelling every day.
Hey Coach, get to feeling better. Basketball season's around the corner. We need you up here.
Hey Coach McNeal! We want to say the video was filmed by us, and we want to say, get better!